This is not deep fried. It's something that's tasty, that's healthy, that's completely up our Indian flavor palette. So it's got all the tick marks.
The plus point of Malayali food is like, we don't use much oil.
That's my mum. Her name is
Hi.
Dina. She is the best cook. So this is a kingfish mean curry. This is called a chatti. Chatti में जब बनाते जो flavors आते हैं, you won't get it in like any other utensil. This is sambar. This is my mom's signature dishes. It's her fish fry. This is a chicken curry. It's brown rice.
Do you have a lot of Bollywood friends also coming up to your house?
Vicky Kaushal, he's a childhood friend.
Really?
We grew up in the same building when we were very, very young. He comes home just to eat this food.
Yeah.
He's Enakku,
Enakku,
E food,
E food,
Bhayangara, Ishtapattu.
Hangara,
Ishtapattu.
Ishtapattu. What does this mean?
I really like this food.
I really like this.
I made it.
It's eating Malayali food with Malvika in a very Malayali style. Leave
Let's
the
do
spoons and forks aside. Let's dig in. Born in Kerala but raised fully in Mumbai, she is now balancing both the worlds, be it the Hindi film industry or the South Indian film industry. Amir Khan once told her you should be an actor, and Rajni sir told her that you will be a superstar, and here she is living her dream. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series, I have been invited to enjoy a traditional Malayali meal at Malvika's home. Let's go!
Hi. Welcome home.
Namaskaram.
Well done.
And you don't even have to tell me it's a Malayali household because I can see this beautiful wooden panel here and a gorgeous murti over here. Just feels like I've landed into Kerala.
That's exactly what I keep telling my friends. I keep telling
Yeah.
them that it's an oasis of mini Kerala
Yeah.
in the heart of Bombay. Even though I've been like a, Bombay girl, born, brought up, everything, my parents have, like, our house is like a mini Kerala. So we've
Yes.
grown up speaking Malayalam, we've grown up eating Mallu food.
Wow.
So we are so attuned to the culture
Yes.
that the moment you're here, you'll feel like you've taken a trip down south.
I'm sure यहाँ पे कहीं backwaters भी होगा.
Come, let's explore.
Let's explore. Wow, beautiful view. You spend a lot of time here in the balcony.
I do. I think it's such a luxury to get any kind of open space in a city like Mumbai,
Yeah.
which is so densely populated. And when we moved into this house, I think what made us connect to the house was that it has very large ceilings actually. The moment you're inside and you observe, the
Yeah.
ceiling height is very high.
Yeah.
Plus every room, every bedroom, the living room has such large balcony spaces
Yeah.
that we were like, okay, this is just, this is as good as it gets in a city like this.
The other balcony that you have, lots of greenery also.
So
is
just
there.
to give you a context, so जब भी friends आते हैं या
Yeah.
guests आते हैं, this is where we entertain people. और ये
Okay.
रात को यहाँ पे currently हमने निकाला हुआ है, but usually we have fairy lights everywhere. तो वो अगर एक बार switch on कर देते, it's such a vibey spot
Yes.
to chill in the night.
Especially during Christmas and New
Especially
Year's.
during this weather, Christmas
Yeah.
and New Year's, everything.
Yeah.
I'm excited to show you more of this space. My mom really wanted a temple, like a mini temple, which was reminiscent of, the South Indian temples.
Yeah.
So she got this beautiful brass murti of Lord Krishna, and we got it designed by a carpenter.
Wow.
To make it look like one of the South Indian temples.
It's amazing.
So this is something she was very particular about. Those are their plant babies. From here, they just look like random plants.
Are you their only baby?
I'm a
They
younger
do?
brother.
Oh, okay. What
He's
does
still
he
a
do?
baby. He's a, अरे आजकल के बच्चे उठते ही नहीं हैं
आजकल
यार.
के बच्चे उठते ही
उठते
नहीं. Oh my,
हैं, रात
you
को
sound
पूरा-
like a grandmom
I
now.
know I do because I am on a very disciplined schedule. No, I'm on back-to-back shoots, so I
Yeah.
wake up in the morning. I've worked the
Right.
whole day, then I do my workout, then I sleep. But otherwise, when I'm one of those. आजकल के बच्चे उठते ही नहीं है, even I'm in that pool.
So I can also smell really good food, by the way. What are we eating today? Lots of traditional Mallu food. Is that what's on the menu?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
We wouldn't have it any other way. If you're in
Okay.
this household, it is the best Malayali food you'll get in Bombay.
I'm looking forward to this now.
Because the thing is कि बॉम्बे में आपको काफी cuisines मिलते हैं, लेकिन मलयाली cuisine is one which is very rare to find a good restaurant in Bombay for that. you know.
Yeah.
आपको coastal खाना मिलेगा. You know,
Right.
like there are places I enjoy going to as well, like Ghazali and Mahesh Lunch Home and all of that. But that's like more Konkani and
Yeah.
like that part of the Indian coast.
Right.
लेकिन जो केरला का coastline है, वहाँ का जो खाना है वो बहुत कम restaurants अच्छा बनाते हैं with like good ingredients.
How many years did you spend in Kerala, or are you a Mumbai girl?
I'm an out and out Mumbai girl, यार.
Really?
काम्या. I think लोग एकदम confused हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वो Wikipedia में suddenly आ जाता है born in Kerala.
Yeah.
I was only technically born in Kerala क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी pregnancy के लिए pregnancy के वक्त वो अपने parents के पास गई थी and they are still in Kerala. So I was born there, but when I was 2 months old,
You moved to Mumbai.
I moved to Mumbai and
Yeah.
I've been in Mumbai ever since, you know.
Yeah.
In fact, मैं मुंबई से दूर कभी रही नहीं हूँ. Like मैं कॉलेज के लिए या स्कूलिंग के लिए कभी कहीं और गई नहीं हूँ. And I've never gone abroad for my studies, you know.
Yeah.
I started working, so
Yeah.
I've always been an out and out Bombay girl.
But do you get that a lot?
I get that a lot. कि
Yeah.
अरे आप तो साउथ से, आपको हिंदी आती है क्या? And I'm like, भाई अगर like मुझे हिंदी ही आती है, you know, like English and Hindi are like my main two languages. And
Yeah.
Malayalam, of course, because I speak at home. And
Of course.
my parents are very particular. They were very particular that you have to grow up knowing your traditions.
Yeah.
My father, he grew up there. He did his
Oh, he grew
schooling
up.
and everything in Kerala.
Yeah.
And फिर वो Pune Film Institute चले गए to study cinematography.
Right.
And after he got done with that, he moved to Bombay to, you know, look for work,
Yeah.
to pursue work. And
Right.
and then touch wood, like, but work's been like, he ended up doing some of the best movies, some of the biggest films. So ever since then, he's been in Bombay.
Yeah.
So as a result, we were born here, brought up here, not raised in South India.
Okay.
Just South Indian by ethnicity.
Okay. So is there a lot of film conversation growing up at home? Is that where the interest got instilled in you, or not as much?
I think I would say more than films, my artistic interests got instilled because so I grew up in a household where like both my parents काफी books पढ़ते थे. You know,
अच्छा.
so they used to read a lot. There used to be a lot of conversation about art in general, art, literature. More than me finding film found me. क्योंकि मेरी जो पहली फिल्म की ऑफर you know मुझे मिली थी, that came my way very unexpectedly. So
Okay.
it's not something I went auditioning for or looking for.
Yeah.
It's just iconic Malayali actor Mammootty. So he was casting for a film opposite his son. Not he was casting, like they were looking for a girl
For Dulquer
opposite
Salman.
Dulquer sir.
Yeah.
And even Dulquer was quite fresh at that point.
Yeah.
Like he was in the business for 3-4 saal. So they were looking for a girl and they were just unable to find somebody that they liked. And then he
Yeah.
saw me somewhere and you know, then he recommended my name and that's how I got the film.
Wow. आमिर खान के साथ भी कोई आपका ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ where he literally called you and told you something, right? Can you tell us about that story as well?
He did. There was this movie that was being shot for Talash.
Okay.
I don't know if आपने देखी है.
तलाश मैंने देखी,
Starring
of course, रानी मुखर्जी.
रानी
right?
मुखर्जी,
Yeah.
करीना कपूर, आमिर
Love that
खान.
movie.
तो वो फिल्म की जो शूटिंग हो रही थी वो मोस्टली नाइट शूट्स हो रही थी क्योंकि वो फिल्म की सब्जेक्ट ही यू नो
Yeah.
अलग किस्म की सब्जेक्ट थी. सो दे वर शूटिंग समवेयर इन साउथ बॉम्बे रात को एंड आमिर खान वाज सिटिंग इन अ कार, लाइक द शॉट वाज हिम इन अ कार. आई वाज लाइक राइट ऑपोजिट द रोड, लाइक डायगोनली ऑपोजिट, एंड ही वाज लाइक you know casually looking around, like in between shots आप देखते हो ना like क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, and he was looking and after a point he called me and he was like, so like what do you do? And I was like, I'm in college. And he was like, you should be an actor. And it came out of the blue, like there was no leading up to the conversation. Also he was just like he was looking at me through very observant eyes. He was like, I think you should be an actor. And I was like, I don't know, I'm you know, I'm still figuring it out. And,
How old were you back then? You must be very
I think
young,
I was
right?
19 or something.
Okay.
So I was not, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि लाइफ में क्या करना है या you know. And acting is completely took me by surprise. And now years later,
It's like universe giving you signs from everywhere that this
Yeah.
industry is for you.
yeah, in some way, yeah. Now when I look back, I'm like, wow, like you know, it's like serendipity, right? What are the odds of someone like him saying something like that?
Absolutely. So of course we'll talk more about your journey. But Malvika, I'm very excited to know आज menu में क्या है. But we'll
Yes.
do this interestingly, okay? तो आपको मुझे ड्रॉ करके बताना है what's on the menu. Okay, so I'm going to hand over Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 to you, okay, on which you will draw, and I'll be able to see the same sketch on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, okay, through this feature called second screen. So whatever you're drawing, I'll be able to see, and I have to guess.
I didn't even know this feature existed. Sounds exciting. Okay, let's do it.
So you're ready, Malvika? Here you go. Hold it. You can also fold it fully, I think.
Wow, that's
Use it
very.
like a tab.
I've never seen a laptop being folded completely.
Very flexible.
It's very convenient.
And it's going to be equally challenging for me, guys. I don't know too many of Malayali dishes, very handful, and I hope you have that on the menu so I can guess it.
Okay, let's keep it simple. Chalo.
Okay, very simple,
Let's
please.
dive right into it. And dive is also a cue word for one of the first dishes ka element. Okay.
I think I already know what it is. And I can smell it actually, you know.
Yeah. Oh. So,
Okay, fish. This much I know. Is it fish curry or is it fried fish?
correct.
Fried fish.
Fried fish.
Wow.
Fried
okay.
fish, which happens to be one of my all-time favorite dishes. I don't know how to draw this.
Is that chicken? Really? That looks like a tree, Malvika. Okay, she just tried to make a chicken leg.
Yes, see, you got it. No, see, purpose actually.
Okay, as long as I got it.
I told
right,
you
so-
I'm not. I can fight and do great action and martial arts, but I'm not a drawing is not
No,
my
no, you have potential.
strong suit. Though.
Oh, that is done.
second. That was curry. Sorry, chicken
Oh.
curry. Chicken was the curry.
Oh, so we moved on to the
We
third
moved on to
one.
the third one.
Okay. Okay, so this is some curry.
Yeah.
But what does it have? Like what? Vegetables or is it dal? No.
It's a
Dal
kind
is
of.
very North Indian, so.
It's not dal, but we have it as dal in.
Oh, okay.
And you
Is
get it in every Udupi restaurant.
Is it sambar?
Correct.
आपको कुकिंग आती है?
मुझे कुकिंग मैं मम्मी की हेल्प करती हूँ एज एन अप्रेंटिस
Yeah.
बट
An apprentice that she enjoys having around or she gets irritated with?
okay, let me put it this way. I know all the steps of cooking,
Okay.
but I don't really cook.
okay.
But if somebody points a gun to my head, I can.
You will survive.
I know all the steps to follow. I know what
Okay.
to do, what not to do, so I can survive. I can
Okay.
totally survive. But cooking is
आज
something.
आपने कुछ बनाया है?
I fried the fish.
Oh, okay. That counts. Thank you for doing that.
And now we're gonna have all of this obviously with. How do I draw this? It's a
Is that idli?
plate. No,
No? Okay. Round, so I just thought it's idli.
it's a.
Oh, okay. What are you
It's
doing?
rice. It's rice. I don't know how to do rice. How do
It's
one draw
rice. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna have all
Because
of this
I knew
with
this was a
rice.
flop the moment I started. I'm like, it's not a good take. It's not a good take. Cancel. Cut. It's rice. It's rice. You don't have to guess it. Okay, these are the main things though.
Okay.
These are the hero items of today's meal.
Right.
And then obviously we have like accompaniments and other dishes which are the supporting actors to this.
Amazing.
Main
Looking
cast.
forward to this traditional and authentic Malayali meal today. Malvika, you have beautiful hair, beautiful skin. Is it a lot to do with your diet, what you're eating?
Thank you. I think it's my genetics.
Yeah.
I think it's the fish and coconut. I think diet in everything, right? Nail, skin, nutrition.
Oh my god, this food looks delicious and this can't be Mumbai. Tell me, am I in Alleppey, Kumarakom, Munnar, or which place are you from in Kerala?
My family is from this place called Payyanur, very
Payyanur.
close to Kannur, which is
Okay.
the Malabar region. It's a northern region of Kerala. So all the recipes that we make at home are from that region. Every dish has a story behind it. Like for example, this is sambar.
Right.
It's very. If you see the I'm going to show you the consistency once. It's a lot thicker than the ones you get in, most of the restaurants and Udupi
Yeah.
restaurants and everything, which is a little more watery.
Right.
So this is a recipe, like I was telling you, she got it from a very traditional sadhya maker. Sadhya is a kind of feast that is prepared during Malayali weddings. So this is like a very age-old recipe that a sadhya maker, like one of the best in our hometown had. Food इतना important होता है हमारा culture preserve करना.
Yeah.
नहीं तो वो like if we don't learn it and if we don't keep it for आगे वाले generations, it's gonna get lost.
Right.
So like a lot of our textile culture, handloom, handicraft,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
how a lot of that is getting lost.
Yeah.
Even food is something that can get lost if you're not a little mindful about it.
Right.
Which is why I would love to learn her recipes. मुझे बस थोड़ा time चाहिए कि मुझे
No, it has to be passed on through
it has to
generations,
be
right?
passed on. Like I would love
Yeah.
to make this for my kids in the future. So I'm waiting like the moment थोड़ा free time मिल जाए.
हाँ जी.
Current जो film से commitment से खत्म हो जाए. I want to like learn a few things and you know start learning
and
it.
this looks so interesting. The dish in which it's made. What is it called?
So this is called a chatti.
Okay.
Chatti means it literally translates to a pot only.
Okay.
So the reason, so this is a fish curry. This
Okay.
is again
Also
like
called mean curry.
mean curry. We call
Okay.
it mean curry. So this is a kingfish mean curry, fish curry. This is made only in a chatti क्योंकि जो
Okay.
आपको flavors जो चट्टी में जब बनाते हैं जो flavors आते हैं वो आपको you won't get it if you make it in like any other utensil. In
Right.
fact हमारे hometown में the way they make it is it's वो gas पर भी नहीं बनाते. Like food tastes different when it's made on gas versus when it's made on fire, right?
Right.
So a lot of like my grandmother and a lot of people that generation वो अभी भी वो fire में बनाते हैं.
Chula, basically.
चूल्हा में बनाते हैं,
Right.
which gives a whole different taste. This is another one of my mom's signature dishes. It's her fish fry.
Okay.
She actually shared the recipe. We shared the recipe like while we were making it. She mentioned like what all goes in it.
Yeah.
It's actually very simple. You just mix up a few spices और उसका paste बना के आप fish को clean करके slice करके clean करके बस वो paste उस पे रख के just let it marinate for a few hours.
Right.
And जब भी you need to fry it, आप तवे पे थोड़ा coconut oil. I mean, most of our food is made in coconut oil. For,
Yeah, and
you
that
know,
explains
that's
your good skin and your good hair. Big thanks to Amma for making this delicious food.
We call it pachadi. It's a raita. It's made with cucumber and yogurt, and the tadka is with rai and like a few South Indian
Yeah.
spices. It's absolutely yummy.
It's called pachadi.
It's pachadi. It's our raita.
Okay.
The way Malayalis eat, we don't have a big katori culture.
Okay.
So we just like mix it all up and
Yeah.
eat as the dishes we like best. And
And
what,
how
what we
have
like
with
the-
hands, right?
I eat with hands. I'm a
Okay.
hand eater. I have gone to fancy restaurants in Europe, London, and I've just been like, you know, I like eating with hand. I prefer eating with hand. My parents just look at me and they're like, behave yourself. And I'm like, but I
Really?
am behaving myself. I'm just eating with hand, you know. I'm a big believer in eating with hand because I
Yeah.
feel like food tastes better.
I agree.
You can't always do that, obviously, but I love doing it, and I
Okay.
get yelled at a lot. But you do you.
No. Let's dig in. This is how food tastes better.
Let's do it.
Okay, eating Malayali food with Malvika in a very Malayali style. Okay, leave the
Let's do it.
spoons and forks aside
Yes.
and let's dig in.
So even when I am,
Wow.
do you like it?
This is amazing.
You've taken pachadi, right? You have.
So I have to mix pachadi also, right? No, this time I didn't.
You can try a little bit of everything. If you don't want to mix it all together, if you want to get the individual flavor profiles, you can try a little bit of rice with.
Yeah, you were right, Malvika. The best Malayali food in Mumbai you can get only at your place. This is amazing. This is so good.
I never boast about things, but when it comes to my mum and her cooking, I think for me that's one thing that's definitely boast worthy.
Do you have a lot of Bollywood friends also coming up to your house?
I do have some friends like Vicky Kaushal. He's a childhood friend actually.
Oh, really?
I won't call him an industry friend. We grew up in the same building when we were very, very young.
Okay.
And then of course like they moved to a different house, we moved to a different house, but we always kept in touch. And he loves, like he comes home just to eat this food.
Yeah.
He's just like, this is
You know, I've come to this building before because Sahira and Ayushman also stay here.
they do, yeah.
Yeah. Do you bump into them? They are your neighbors or not?
I keep
too
bumping
often?
into Ayushman every time at the gym.
Okay.
So yeah, so gym, and now it's become lift because they've moved to this exact same wing.
Yeah.
So I keep bumping into him here.
So I'm going to give you some food choices.
Okay.
Okay. You've got to pick one and tell me what do you like more? Puttu and kadala curry or idiyappam and coconut milk?
I think I would say puttu and kadla curry.
But you know, whenever I'm traveling, be it any hotel, जो भी ब्रेकफास्ट बुफे होता है ना मॉर्निंग में, मैं सबसे पहले जाकर वहाँ साउथ इंडियन सेक्शन इज लाइक द नेचुरल कॉलिंग. इट जस्ट
Really?
फील्स लाइक द राइट ब्रेकफास्ट टू हैव एवरी डे.
What's your favorite?
So I love idli vada.
You love idli and vada.
I love idli
with
vada.
sambar
Yeah.
or
I love appams. I love
Appams are
neer
lovely.
dosa. These are my favorites.
I love appam too, and it's so light. It's
so
so
light.
filling, but so light. You don't feel that heaviness or bloating after.
Right.
So it's yeah,
Yeah.
it's a great alternative to like.
So do you prefer appam and stew curry,
Okay.
or do you like chapati and naan and kodi curry?
Chapati is not a very big thing in Kerala. I would
Okay.
say there's this thing called Malabar parotha. You
Yes.
must have had it. It's that
Yeah.
flaky parotha
Yeah.
which is absolutely yum. Oh my god!
Yeah,
like
yeah,
my
yeah.
cheat days, I love having Malabar parotha because it's pure maida.
Yeah.
So that's not a very healthy alternative. With yes, this kori curry, the chicken curry, it's absolutely yum.
Mean curry or chemin curry?
Main curry.
Banana chips or parampori?
I love both. Yeah, I can't pick. It's hard.
It's hard?
It's hard. I
Okay.
love both.
Avial or thoran?
I would say avial.
Coconut water or toddy?
Or toddy any day.
Toddy. Toddy is an alcoholic drink, right? How is it made?
Toddy is also made with coconut. I think there are different kinds of local alcohol you can make. If I'm not mistaken, but I think toddy, if I'm not wrong, I'm sure the comment section will correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah. They'll be quick at this for
They'll be very,
sure.
oh, comment section loves picking out on kya galat kiya, kya galat
I
bola.
know. Kerala or Mumbai?
Oh man, that's hard. Mumbai is home. Kerala is a different kind of home. That's a hard one. Both.
By the way, this fish is so good. And literally no bones, is it? There's just one bone, I
There's
think.
one bone in the center.
Is this kingfish, right?
It's kingfish. Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's not got any of the other time pass bones.
Time pass bone. Yeah, that's annoying, right?
आधा टाइम तो फिर बोन निकालना पड़ता है instead of
हाँ,
eating.
right.
There's this fish called उसे मत्ती कहते हैं मलयालम में. I think in English it's called sardine. वो जो छोटी वाली फिश
Right.
आती है उसमें बहुत सारे बोन्स होते हैं.
Yeah.
वो मुझे बहुत परेशानी होती है यार खाने क्योंकि
में।
खाने से ज्यादा क्योंकि इतनी छोटी साइज की है फ्लेश से ज्यादा तो हम ज्यादा टाइम वो बोन निकालने में स्पेंड होता है. सो
Yeah.
किंगफिश इज इजियर.
Malabar biryani or sadhya?
मलाबार बिरयानी और सद्या उफ यार ये भी हार्ड वाला है यार. फॉर दोस्त हु डोंट नो सद्या वो जो हम एक क्विंटेसेंशियल वेडिंग्स के टाइम पे वो जो स्प्रेड
होता है.
सर्व करते हैं. अगेन फॉर दोस्त हु डोंट नो सद्या में नॉन वेजिटेरियन आइटम्स नहीं होते.
नहीं होते.
सब सारे वेजिटेरियन आइटम्स होते हैं क्योंकि मलयाली वेडिंग्स के टाइम पे दे डोंट रियली सर्व नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड यू
Yeah.
नो बिकॉज इट्स कंसिडर्ड लाइक अ रिलीजियस होली डे.
Yeah.
तो सिर्फ वेजिटेरियन खाना सर्व होता है. तो सद्या इज ऑल वेजिटेरियन और सद्या के टाइम पे देयर सांबार, अवियल,
Yeah.
तोरन और चिप्स, एवरीथिंग दैट वी डिस्कस्ड, ऑल ऑफ दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ सद्या.
Right.
एंड देयर आर लाइक सम 15-20 आइटम्स होते हैं एक बनाना लीफ पर छोटे छोटे करके काफी
Yeah.
सारी चटनीज और हर एक का एक स्पॉट होता है. यू नो अगर इफ इट्स चटनी ए, आप चटनी ए वो यही सर्व करना चाहिए. वो आप लेफ्ट साइड पे सर्व नहीं कर सकते हो. कोई चीजें बॉटम राइट पे यू नो प्लेस होते हैं. तो
Right.
इट्स गॉट लाइक अ होल स्ट्रक्चर टू इट ऑल्सो. बिटवीन द टू आई वुड से बिरयानी.
Okay.
Biryani girl.
You described sadhya so much and then you chose biryani. Last but not the least, this is going to be a tough one. Lal Leighton or Mamuka?
Lalator or Mamuka, pillars of the Malayalam film industry, you can call them. They're that iconic.
Right.
I don't think I can choose one pillar from the rest. Both of them. I have to give a shout out to Mamuka though because
Yeah.
I am in films today because of him. He's
Right.
the one who, in a sense, introduced me to cinema. तो Mamuka के लिए वो soft spot जरूर है. By the way, Kamya, can I pass anything to you?
No, I'm fine.
Why
I'm
don't you have
fine.
one more fish?
No, I'm fine. So far, so good.
So far,
I'll
so
quietly take it so you don't come to know and even the viewers don't come to know मैंने कितना खाया.
I want to.
As
I
you
want
can
to
see,
know.
I've almost finished and it's very rare that I finish
Oh really?
the plate. Yeah. So my viewers will also know that. So I'm truly enjoying the meal here.
अच्छा चलो good.
Plus, it's also healthy. So it's amazing.
It is actually very
Yeah.
healthy. I've been spending a lot of time in Hyderabad क्योंकि I'm working on my Telugu debut with Prabhas.
Oh yeah, that's an exciting one.
That's an exciting one. I'm very excited because it's also a fun genre.
Yeah.
The film is a horror romantic comedy.
Yeah.
So it's got horror comedy elements, it's got rom-com elements. So it's one of those, it's a genre I haven't done before.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited and Prabhas is super fun to work with. He's
Okay.
chill and you know.
But did you not feel like intimidated? थोड़ा डर सा लग रहा था ना because he's such a superstar, so to say.
You know the thing is actually मैंने जब बाहुबली देखी थी पहली बार, I'm a huge Bahubali fan and I was like I loved Bahubali 1 and 2 and since then it was in my mind कि यार मुझे अगर मुझे प्रभास के साथ एक फिल्म करनी है, you know. When Salar was happening,
Yeah.
the director Prashant Neel, he wanted to meet up with me because he wanted me for the film,
Yeah.
for Salar.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, this is again like a serendipitous kind of a thing
Yeah.
where, you know, the one actor, like I'm such a big Prabhas fan.
Yeah.
And, you know, if I end up doing Salar, that'll be my Telugu debut.
Right.
And for some reason that didn't work out. And then again, like after a few months, I got a call for this movie. It's called Raja Saab. And again, it was with Prabhas. And I was like, this is like some universe ka way of like being like, you have to, your debut has to be with Prabhas,
Wow.
you know.
Yeah.
Because what are the odds, right? I
Yeah.
never got anything with any of the other. It was always Prabhas. So yeah, so that's my Telugu debut, which I'm currently shooting for.
Yeah.
And I'm away for very long periods of time
Yeah.
where I miss this food and my family. And I keep
Okay.
telling them, just come with me. And they're like, नहीं shootings बहुत boring होते हैं. Like if you're कुछ करने नहीं होता, अगर आप participant नहीं हो process में तो बहुत boring होता है.
I know.
This movie called Peta with Rajni sir, and he was so sweet, so encouraging, like विश्वास नहीं कर पाओगे कि ये एक mega star है. You know, that's how forthcoming and nice he is. And after that movie got over, my second movie was this movie called Master with
Right.
Thalapathy Vijay, which was like my big Tamil, you know, first big solo heroine film in Tamil, and that film was a blockbuster.
Yeah.
And it was one of the first releases post-COVID.
Okay.
You know, फिल्म रिलीज होने के 3-4 दिन बाद मुझे एक रैंडम नंबर से कॉल आया. मैंने उठाया नहीं because I didn't know who it was, you know. Kept getting calls and I picked up. And that's when I figured out that it was Rajni sir, and he was like, "Hi ma, I'm so ma is like a polite way of addressing women in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Just to give you context, he was like, "Hi
Yeah.
ma, this is Rajnikant," and I was just like
Really? Oh my
I
God.
was just like glued to my tracks. I couldn't believe what was happening, and he was like, "I saw Master." And you know, I'm so happy for you, and you looked so beautiful in it, and I wish you all the best. And you know, he spoke for a couple of minutes, and I kept the phone, and I was like, this is definitely like one of those pinch me moments that have happened in
Yeah.
my life.
Do you recall a crazy fan experience that you've had which you would like to share with our viewers?
So I remember I was shooting for Master
Yeah.
in Chennai. और मैं थोड़ा मेन सिटी में नहीं, थोड़ा आउटस्कर्ट्स में हम शूट कर रहे थे. He was there at the lobby when I came back from shoot, and he had एक प्रिंट आउट मुझे दिया, and I was like, okay, शायद like maybe it's a drawing or like
Yeah.
a painting or something like that, and it was like a wedding invite that he'd made with his name and mine.
Oh my God.
Did I commit to something without realizing? वो एक मोमेंट ऑफ डाउट
Yeah.
आ ही जाता है जब आप कुछ देखते हो जो इतना रियल लगे.
Yeah.
I was like, is this like what is happening here? And then my team slowly they figured out, and then they were like, okay, chalo ma'am, like, you know, let's go to the room. चलिए अभी, you know. So because we didn't know like how else to respond to something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
But I think that was the most unexpectedly crazy thing.
I can imagine. But I'm sure in your career ऐसे बहुत moments होते होंगे where you wouldn't know how to respond, what to do, should I say yes to this, no to this, lot of decision making. तो क्या आप कभी किसी की advice लेते हो?
I take advice, and I think the kind of person that I am, no matter what situation I'm in, I think I cannot not be polite. I'm a polite person. I like being kind to people, and I expect that in return.
Yeah.
Which you don't always get because, you know, हर किस्म के लोग होते हैं.
Yeah.
But even if I'm in the most terrible situation, I'll be like smiling till the last moment, and then I'll figure out, okay, now this person being really mean or like really weird.
Yeah.
Now let me figure out what to do. So I like living with family. I'm close to, you know, an entire circle outside of the film industry.
Yeah.
Having said that, industry में भी friends हैं.
Yeah.
But this is my real life.
कौन सी languages में fluent हो आप?
English,
Okay.
हिंदी, लेकिन मेरी हिंदी बहुत बम्बईया वाली हिंदी है. I think that's with all Bombay
Yeah,
girls.
of
ना?
course.
Yeah. In fact, when I was working on Yudra, my first Hindi film, the director, he had to hire a coach for me. क्योंकि इस लाइक अरे ये लड़की तो बहुत बम्बईया हिंदी बोलती है, इसे थोड़ा साफ हिंदी सिखाओ, you know. So they hired a dialect coach for me just to like improve
Yeah.
my nuktas and, you know, clean it
Yeah.
up a little bit. Which I can do on screen. Now I can speak that Hindi, but in real life मुझे ये वाली हिंदी ज़्यादा पसंद है. Then I speak a little bit of Marathi.
Okay.
Because I studied in a SSC school,
Okay.
like a state syllabus school.
Right.
So we had Marathi as a part of our curriculum. And for some reason I love Marathi. मुझे बहुत मजा आता
Yeah.
है.
कुछ बोलो मराठी में.
So, तुला येतं का मराठी?
ये थे.
हाँ.
थोड़ा ये थे.
थोडं येतं. कोण आहे इकडे महाराष्ट्रीयन?
दोन्ही पण videographers मराठी
मराठी
येतात. I know a little bit. Teach me something in Malayalam.
Enakku
Enakku
ee food
ee food
bhayangara bhayangara ishtapattu.
bhayangara
Ishtapattu.
ishtapattu. What does this mean?
I really like this food.
I really like this.
I made you say
Then
it.
why are you saying bhayankar in between?
Oh, it's not the other wala bhayankar. It's the Malayalam.
Okay.
It's the Malayalam bhayangara.
Oh, bhayangara. It's too good.
Bhayangara is really, actually.
Yeah,
It
okay.
translates to really in Malayalam, but I made you
Oh.
say it, whether you wanted to say it or no.
No, I really wanted to say it, so thank you very much for helping me with that. So, do you often think about getting married, having kids, and do you often think about getting married to somebody in the industry? Never from anybody in the industry.
Industry or non-industry doesn't matter. So that I'm open to, like, you know. Kids, definitely. I love kids.
Yeah.
I love the idea of kids. I feel like I have a very strong maternal instinct as well. So in
Yeah.
the future, definitely, for whom I shall learn all the mean curries and the mean fries and everything, because I want to give those memories to my kids that my mom's given me. You
Yeah.
know, I want to cook. I want to feed them. I want them to eat mere haath ka banaya hua khana.
So, I really enjoy this conversation with you, Malvika, but we also have a fan who would love to do a live interaction with you
Oh.
using our Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360.
Oh, wow.
So, a
Okay.
couple of questions for you from a Curry Tales follower.
Oh, definitely. What fun.
So, Malvika, we have Mamta who's joined us and she would love to have a conversation with you.
Hi, Mamta.
Hi, Mom. I'm really excited. It's really an honor to be on call with you.
Hi.
And I'm a big fan of yours. Being in Kerala, I'm from Kerala, so I'm
Oh.
a very big fan of yours.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much, Mamta. Likewise. It's so lovely to talk to you.
I just want to know what's the beauty secret behind you.
Beauty secret? Oh, wow. How can I encapsulate that in one statement? I was just telling Kamya that a lot of, you know, our features like our skin and our hair and all of that for Malayali women, so much of it comes from the food that we eat, right? Like diet always contributes so much to these things more than beauty fads or any kind of hacks per se. So I think eating healthy and making sure that I get some exercise every day keeps the blood running, keeps the skin looking flushed and radiant. So I think it's a simpler things. I know everybody wants like a unique hack, but I think it's more discipline and consistency. One thing I use a lot is this thing called Kumkumadi oil, which is an oil made out of saffron. It's an Ayurvedic thing. So that is something all like me, my mom, we all use that to massage our face, and that's great for skin texture and radiance. You should try that out.
Definitely try that oil. We'll definitely try it out. And secondly, Mom, I just wanted to know, like, we all are very much excited about the upcoming film which is there with Prabhas.
It's my next big release, and I'm really excited. And I was telling her I'm a Prabhas fan myself, and it's the first time I'm doing a genre like a rom-com, horror comedy kind of a thing, which has these comedy elements. It's also got like there are also 2 really nice songs, and these are things I haven't like done much before.
Actually, you made my day. I had
sweet.
a really good day.
Bye.
Yeah,
we're shooting.
It's
It's okay. My brother has woken up.
आजकल के बच्चे.
What's the time? Oh, it's only 4. It's only 4 p.m. He's woken up early.
It was lovely being here, Malvika, enjoying this delicious meal. Wow, I need a 2-hour snooze now after this. While you go for your friend's wedding, I'll go catch up and sleep for 2 hours. So amazing. Thank you so much for hosting
you.
Curly
Thank you
Tales.
for being
Getting a
here.
glimpse into your home, your meals, and we wish you all the best for your upcoming films and projects, and I'm sure they're all going to be a blockbuster.
My New Year wish.